Hello, if you want to change the wallpaper on OnePlus Nord for 5G, first of all we need to open the settings. So let's go to the settings. Now over here we need to find wallpapers and style and then go there. Over here we have wallpapers, we can select this option, and then we have several categories at the top. We have album, workshop and carousel wallpaper. We also have live category where we can find live wallpapers. We can see the preview, how they look like. We also have static wallpaper, so if you prefer to not have animated wallpaper, then of course you can still change that. And if you go to the workshop, then you have the option to create your own wallpaper. So you can take or select a photo and transform it into a unique wallpaper. So I'm gonna select this option over here. Let's agree and continue. And unfortunately I don't have any pictures or anything, so I cannot really select. And I can also take a photo if I want to by choosing this camera icon. So nevertheless, let's choose a different wallpaper. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. This is how it looks like. We're gonna press apply to home and lock screen, and there we go. Now if I go back, you can see that I have a new wallpaper. And if we select a static wallpaper, then let's say we can choose this wallpaper over here, then we can press apply to, and then we can choose lock screen or home and lock screen. So there we go. So let's say I'm gonna choose both. We are setting the new wallpaper, and there we go. Now over here we can press OK. And yeah, if you do this for the first time, you can also change the colors of the system, but we don't care about it for now. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, we have a new wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!